Strengthening Faith 120. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is commonly observed around the world how many people, such as politicians, criticize Islam and its different aspects in order to put off Muslims from acting on it, and non-Muslims from accepting it. The truth of the matter is that their problem is not with Islam or a part of it, such as the dress code of women and men. Their issue with Islam is the fact that it is not merely a set of rituals and practices, but a complete code of life which affects every aspect of one's life, such as their personal, social, financial, family and work life. But as these people desire to live according to their desires, the life of animals, and not a higher moral code of conduct, it pains them to observe Muslims adhering to the code of conduct set by Islam, as the practicing Muslims make them look like nothing except animals, that only live to fulfill their desires. In order to mask their animalistic behavior, they attempt to punch holes into the code of conduct Islam advocates, even though anyone with a little common sense sees straight through their poor attempt, as Islam is a logical, flawless and upright way of life. For example, these people often criticize the dress code Islam commands women to adhere to. Even though countless women, especially those living in the West, desire to dress according to the standards set by Islam out of their own free will, yet these people insist they must ban Islamic dress code, as it oppresses women. Anyone with common sense can clearly see that preventing a Muslim woman who desires to dress according to Islamic teachings is oppression in itself. So they seek to rescue an oppressed person by oppressing them further. These people also claim these women have been brainwashed, which is highly insulting, as they are claiming women are weak-minded. Finally, it is strange how these people have an issue with the Islamic dress code, yet they have no problem or objection to any other dress code. There is no institution, major business or organization that does not have a dress code, such as educational institutions, hospitals, the army, the police force, the retail sector, businesses, and even the political buildings which these politicians who criticize Islam work at. They never criticize the dress code of all these places, which encompasses the majority of the world. This makes it clear that they only target Islam and its different aspects in order to shield themselves from being labeled animals, as they only wish to fulfill their own desires and not live by a superior code of conduct. A Muslim must never be fooled by people like this. They should instead strengthen their faith through learning and acting on the teachings of Islam, so that they remain firm on sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted, in the face of foolish criticism. Obedience involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him.